Do you want to be more active but struggle to find the time? The challenge of staying active is a common struggle that many of us face. Our days are filled with work, family, and countless other responsibilities that seem to eat away at our time. We understand the importance of physical activity. We know that it's vital for our overall health and wellness. But it often feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day. Whether it's a long day at the office, a commute that feels like it lasts forever, or the endless cycle of household chores, finding time to stay active can seem like an insurmountable challenge. And it's not just about finding time, it's about finding the energy, the motivation, and the willpower to make physical activity a priority. But what if we told you that it doesn't have to be this way? Well, you're in luck, because today, we're going to share some practical strategies that can help you incorporate physical activity into your busy schedule. Did you know that every minute of physical activity counts? You might think you need to carve out large chunks of time for a workout, but that's not always the case. Even short bursts of physical activity can add up and make a significant difference. Think about it. Those stairs you take instead of the elevator, that's a mini workout. That farther parking spot you chose at the supermarket, that's a brisk walk. These little bits of exercise throughout the day, they all accumulate, contributing to your overall physical health. Now let's talk about a concept called exercise snacking. This is where you break up your exercise into small, manageable chunks. Think 10 minutes of stretching in the morning, a swift walk during lunch, and some light yoga before bed. These snacks of exercise are easier to fit into a busy day, and just as beneficial as one long workout. So remember, every minute of movement is a step in the right direction. Have you ever considered turning your commute into a workout? Now that might sound a bit strange, but hear me out. You see, there are plenty of ways to incorporate physical activity into your daily commute. For instance, how about biking or walking to work? Not only will you be burning those calories, but you'll also be getting a fresh start to your day, all while reducing your carbon footprint. If your workplace is too far for a walk or a bike ride, no worries. You could always consider getting off the bus or train a few stops early and walking the rest of the way. It's a simple change, but one that can make a significant difference over time. And let's not forget the added bonus of saving on transportation costs. Imagine the money you could save on gas or bus fare by simply choosing a more active route to work. Your commute doesn't just have to be about getting from point A to point B. Make it work for you. Who says you can't exercise at your desk? Let's debunk that myth. It's time to introduce you to the wonderful world of deskercise, the art of staying active while being desk-bound. Now, you might be thinking, how can I possibly get a workout in while I'm at my desk? Well, the answer is simpler than you think. All you need is your office chair and a little determination. Let's start with something easy. Leg lifts. While seated, straighten one leg and hold it in place for a few seconds, then lower it without touching the floor, and repeat. This simple exercise can help strengthen your abs and legs. Next, we have chair squats. Stand up from your chair, lower your body back down, stopping right before you sit back down. This can help tone your legs and butt. Lastly, seated leg raises. While seated, lift your right leg straight out in front of you and hold for a few seconds, then lower it. Switch to your left leg and repeat. Remember, it's important to take regular breaks from sitting. Stand up, stretch, walk around. Your body will thank you. With deskercise, your office chair becomes your new favorite gym equipment. Let's quickly recap the strategies we've discussed today. First, we talked about making every minute count. Even if your schedule is jam-packed, there's always room for a little activity. Whether it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator, parking a bit further from your destination, or doing a quick set of jumping jacks during a commercial break, every bit helps. Then, we covered active commuting. Why sit in traffic when you can bike or walk and get your heart pumping? If you're too far to commute on foot or bike, consider getting off public transport a stop or two early and walking the rest of the way. Lastly, we introduced deskercise, the art of exercising right at your desk. Stretch your arms, twist your torso, lift your legs. There are countless ways to get moving without leaving your workstation. Start small, then gradually increase your activity levels. Remember, the best exercise is the one you enjoy and can stick with. So find what works for you and start moving more today. Alright folks, that's all we have for today's video. But remember, staying active is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, manageable changes to your daily routine that add up over time. So keep experimenting, keep moving, and most importantly, keep having fun. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos on staying active, healthy living, and general wellness. And hey, why not share this video with a friend who could use the boost? Maybe you can even start a friendly competition to see who can rack up the most steps or hold a plank for the longest. After all, a little friendly competition never hurt anyone. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and let's get moving together.